Hello again, everybody. Welcome back to Let's Draw Cartoons with Rick. Today, we're going to draw a kitty cat. So let's grab our pencils. And first thing we're going to draw are two circles standing right next to each other. Inside those circles, let's add a couple of dots. Now we're going to go below the circle and we're going to draw a triangle, but make it upside down, like it's standing on its head. And right below, at the bottom of the triangle, we're going to draw what looks like an upside down curly Y. Now inside where we have the curly Y, let's draw three tiny little circles that look like freckles. We do them like a triangle shape. So there's six little freckles on his face. And coming from those freckles, we're going to draw three lines that kind of start at the same place but then go out a little bit. So make these three lines fan out. At the bottom, where this curly Y is, let's draw the letter U. Connect it. And then at the bottom, let's draw another line, but don't go all the way down. Go about 3/4 of the way down. And that looks like his tongue is hanging out. Okay, let's go back up to the top of his head and let's draw a ziggy-zaggy line that goes all the way across. And then on either side of the ziggy-zaggy line, we're going to draw an arrow shape. So there's one arrow there and then another arrow on this side. So those are his pointy ears. Okay, another ziggy-zaggy line we're going to add to the side of his head. And we'll do the same thing on the other side of his head. We'll do another ziggy-zaggy line. After we're done drawing those ziggy-zaggy lines, let's draw two sets of parallel lines on either side of where his tongue is. And then down below, we're going to draw three little clover shapes. And we'll do it on both hands. After you're done drawing the clover shapes, we're going to go to the side of his body. We're going to curve a line that comes in, and then we're going to go on the other side and curve a line that goes in, but we're going to leave a space between those two lines. Because in the space between the two lines, we're going to draw a capital letter T. Now the next part of this drawing is a little tricky, so we'll do it slow, we'll do it together, but sometimes you could draw this without even lifting your pencil. So we're going to go right over here at the corner. We're going to draw a line that goes down and then we're going to stop. And then we're going to round it off to the side and then we're going to stop. And then we're going to take the line and come back, touch the bottom of the T, and then we're going to keep going and stop again. And then we'll round it off and then we're going to go back up. And there we just drew his 2 feet. So the next thing we'll do is draw two little curved lines in this rounded part of his feet. So it looks like it's his paws, you know, the toes of his paws. And then the last thing we'll draw is his tail, which is just a big curly line that comes around, comes back on itself all the way back. And if you want, you could just draw like a background line just to give perspective. And we just drew a kitty cat. So next time, make sure you check your email box for the next lesson of Let's Draw Cartoons with Rick, or you can check out the archives of other lessons on how to draw lots more silly and fun characters. See you next time.